పట్టుకున్నా
చిట్టిలా బతుకు, ఒక తప్పిపోయిన బాలికలా కాదమ్మా.
సాహితీ ఆచార్య, తెలుగు లెక్చరర్.
సిద్ధార్థ్ నందన్, మ్యాథ్స్ లెక్చరర్.
I would want to ask for all our viewers, what was his immediate response after whatever he received? Okay, fine, this is something that I have got as a list of entries, and this is the quality, this is the volume, and the variation or the diversity he might have faced while assessing and judging these entries. Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is a lot of creativity and innovation in all the entries which we have received, and there is a very tough competition among the people also, and we are shortlisted and given the best of best entries, and really there is a lot of plenty of talent these all people are having, and we wish him all the best for their future ventures, and we wish them that they can go to Tollywood and Bollywood and all their talent. This is really very good initiative to encourage the young talent, and I highly appreciate Mr. Srinivas Murray and Praveen Machalo for conducting such an event. For giving me an opportunity as jury. I am feeling honored to be part of this program.
Sir, do you think that the entries that you have received here, the overall, the core quality that you are seeing here as entries, are they capable of competing in a national or maybe across a global level? Do they have the talent here?
Yeah, they have the talent. Definitely, they need only the encouragement. These awards are always our endeavor is to encourage them to extract the best talent from them, so that it will motivate them to reach greater heights in national and international level.
Tell me about the movie that you did. Like, how did you land up doing 2 movies and then landing up award here? What are your expectations forward?
Actually, they both are based on true events, and both the directors are very good, and they cooperated with me a lot. So it was happy working with them.
So, you want to do more short films, or want to, if getting an opportunity, you want to move to feature maybe?
I have done more than 15 feature films.
You've already done?
Yeah. Present I am acting with Pawan Kalyan.
How old
sir.
are you?
16.
16-year-old. She has done 15 features already, and now she is winning awards here in TSFA.
I have done my first serial when I was 5.
India, listening? We have Mr. Shogato and Pinaki. They came here all across from Kolkata, and they actually came up with a short film idea with some unique concept. In short, we'll want to understand how they conceptualized and what was the overall experience like. Yes.
Our film is Time. It's a mobile short film, and the idea came up across, like we were discussing over a Zoom call one day. Why can't we do some videos over individual mobiles and do a kind of video just to entertain us? We did not thought at that point of time that we will land on such big magnum of this film. Then the idea came along. I have written a story, and then other 2 friends have written a script. Piyas and Parthu Sarthi had written the script. Lovely script. And we sat, and me we met together to have a good script, and then along with our friends group, we shot the entire cinema with their mobile devices.
Unique, right? Yes. So many unique stories I have already heard here, but this is the
This
thing.
is all about, the raw
So
originality.
this kind of
it.
filmmaking cannot be stopped by lockdowns. You understand this?
Exactly.
Yes.
And budgets also. I mean, we did it almost
Very
at
much
zero
homemade
cost.
movies.
Yeah, homemade.
What led you to this thought that okay, fine, we must have awarding authority or awarding event for short films within Telangana?
Why short film, you can ask? See, because short film is the very, very powerful media from where many budding filmmakers come through. So before they start the big screen ventures, they wanted to test their talent with a small venture like a short film. So when we checked, especially in Telangana and this surrounding area, there were no genuine platforms to encourage such talent. So that's how this initiative took place, like TSFA Telugu Short Film Awards.
Do you plan to expand or stretch your horizon?
Yes, we wanted to first, basically initial edition, we wanted to limit ourselves here in Telugu states. But eventually, from last second edition onwards, we were also getting other non-Telugu feature films also. So subject to condition, we are accepting them with subtitles.
So do you believe in doing this? Local talent will not be neglected. Instead, they just may have an extended horizon to help their talent go beyond their region.
We take care of both, local talent as well as established people. We don't want to miss out both the ends.
TSFA being present there, that's already amazing. Fingers crossed from all of us who love movies, who love short films, and let's just hope that TSFA widens and expands horizons for all budding filmmakers.
We firmly believe in one simple funda. See, even the mighty movements also starts with a single step. So we have already walked 4 steps, we can say. Each year we say
4
take a
steps,
step.
yeah.
And people like you, like-minded people are joining us. They are making this movement a big thing. Last year we didn't have much media attention, but now today you see so many media houses, digital media partners, so many other partners. They're all coming voluntarily and joining hands, making this celebration more.
ఊరు నోరే విప్పి చెప్పదుగా తన తోటి తన రుణమును తీర్చగా చేద్దాం బాధ్యత చేద్దాం అదొక్కటి
ఆనింగినేలాలు ఉండుంటారు కాబోయే గనులంతా పైకొస్తే జై కొడతారు అభిమానులై జనమంతా
గుడు 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 గని అందాల దునియానే చూపిత్తప చిక్కు 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 బుక్కని బుల్లెట్ బండకి వచ్చేతప గుడు 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 గని అందాల దునియానే చూపిత్తప చిక్కు 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 బుక్కని